You know what? I just decided I'm gonna give you guys a short little exhaust video because I know you guys love it and it's not something that I show off a whole lot. But we are in a nice area. So you should get a lot of reverb, you should get a lot of exhaust noises. So enjoy it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. To put you at ease, this car is up to temp. I just drove here, so no, I wasn't redlining or two-stepping on a cold engine. That would be really stupid. But I'm about to do a quick walk around on my car because I haven't done one since I got the new wheels and tires, and I don't even know that I've done one since I did the brakes. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys next time.